Have you ever wondered, why do bad things happen to good people? You pray every day. You are honest. You never hurt anyone. Yet, when trouble comes, you feel like God has abandoned you. You ask, God, why aren't you helping me? If you have ever felt this pain, then this story is for you. It will change the way you look at your problems forever. There was once a small village nestled by a beautiful river. In that village lived a priest. He was a very pious man. He spent his entire day praying in the temple. He believed that because he was so devoted, God would always protect him personally. One year, the monsoon rains were heavy. The river swelled. The water levels rose. A flood began to swallow the village. Everyone started to run for their lives. A villager ran to the temple and screamed, "Priest, the water is rising. The village is drowning. Come with us to the safe grounds." But the priest sat calmly and said, "Oh, foolish man, I am not like you. I have full faith. I have served God all my life. He will come to save me. You go." The villager left. The water rose to the priest's waist. He climbed onto the altar. Just then, a boatman came paddling through the rushing water. "Priest, jump in. This is your last chance." The priest refused again. "No, go away. My God is watching. He will not let his true devotee drown." The boatman rowed away sadly. Finally, the water reached the roof. The priest was clinging to the top of the temple. A helicopter hovered above. A rope ladder was thrown down. A soldier yelled, "Grab the rope! We will pull you up!" But the priest shouted back, "I don't need your rope. I need my God." The helicopter had to leave. Minutes later, the temple collapsed. The priest drowned and died. When the priest opened his eyes, he was in heaven, but he was furious. He stood before God and shouted, "I worshipped you my whole life, but when I needed you the most, you didn't come. Why did you let me die?" God smiled and said, "My child, you say I didn't come? Who do you think sent the villager? Who do you think sent the boatman? And who do you think sent the helicopter?" The priest stood frozen. God continued, and his voice became deep like the ocean. "I came to save you 3 times, but you were waiting for a miracle while ignoring the helping hand I extended." Then God said something that you must listen to carefully. "You ask for strength, so I give you difficulties to make you strong. You ask for wisdom, so I give you problems to solve. You ask for courage, so I give you danger to overcome. And you ask for love, so I give you troubled people to help. I don't give you what you want, I give you what you need." My friends, often we miss God's blessings because they don't look like blessings. They look like struggles. They look like ordinary people trying to help. The boatman, the rope, the difficult times, these are not accidents. These are answers to your prayers. Don't wait for a magic light from the sky. Look at the hand reaching out to you right now. If you understand God's signs, type, "I trust you" in the comments. Please share this video with someone who is going through a hard time, and subscribe to find the light within you.